Hello traders, this is Stalkstocker. Let's straight away jump into the charts and analyze Dubai financial market. Market came straight down, crushing till 1660 levels when the pandemic COVID-19 started, and from there it started retracing upwards, making a new trend. Now how do you identify a trend? A uptrend rather. It should make a higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. So this is how you define the uptrend. And currently, if you zoom in the charts, the market is in a triangle. It is making lower highs, but it is not making any lower lows. It means the market is trapped in this triangle. It can either break upside or downside. Now, whichever side it breaks up or down, it will release immense of energy and there will be a big move. So till then, let's wait and see how the market reacts. Let's talk this one.